Welcome to the Whole Soul Meditation. Take a moment and get comfortable wherever you are, taking a few breaths. I want you to imagine yourself sitting down. Maybe you're kneeling. And I want you to look on the floor and visualize a jigsaw puzzle. Perhaps a few pieces are still together. Some are by themselves, and some rest near each other, or maybe some of them have flipped over and lay at the outskirts. Begin to gather the pieces together and maybe flip some of them over. And as you do, notice that each one contains a moment from your life, a belief you hold, perhaps an identity or a role, or maybe it represents pain, a part of you that you abandoned, or a part of you you love. Maybe even a part of you that you wish wasn't true about yourself. I invite you to pick up a piece, acknowledge it, and actually bring it close to your heart. I want you to see if you can be tender with it and curious about how it wants to contribute to the bigger picture of who you are. Perhaps you begin to click pieces together, and as you do, you appreciate the way that the colors complement one another. And you notice that the more pieces that come together, the more you're starting to have a cohesive picture emerge. With every group of pieces that you put together, you're surprised to see them becoming more clear. You begin to see a beautiful image of your soul emerging. As you look around, you realize that you actually need every piece, no matter how small, awkward, or flipped over, no matter how bland or colorful, no matter how dark or light. You need every piece in order to have the complete picture. Perhaps look from a distance. Maybe you can begin to have some compassion for yourself, for each piece along your journey, each piece of yourself, each time that you were hurt, each time you experienced joy. I want you to pause for a moment and just listen. Listen to yourself and perhaps listen to your soul. Maybe there's a message. Maybe there is a message from your whole soul. And if there isn't, that's okay, but we're just going to pause for a moment and tune in. Breathing. Make note of whatever it is that you heard. And let's have some gratitude for each piece and how it plays a beautiful, beautiful part in bringing the whole together. And let's have a little bit of love for the bigger picture, for your whole soul, for all of who you are,